Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Naturally Tanya. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Please take a quick second to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and also click that bell right next to it so you can stay up to date whenever I upload a new video. And if you are just returning to my channel, thanks for rocking with your girl. You know I appreciate you. And we are gonna hop on into today's video. So today I just wanted to show you guys a quick makeup look that I enjoy doing, a little spring makeup. I'm gonna be using my Morphe 35S Sweet Oasis palette. This is what it looks like. I just love this packaging, guys. I love it. This is such a beautiful palette. And these are the colors we're gonna be working with today. Very spring and summery, which is why I had to grab it. And I will leave a link in the description box of where you can get your hands on this palette. I believe I got mine from Ulta, and I will also list all the brushes that I use as well. I'm really proud of myself because I have like 10,000 brushes and I have just a few here on this side, so I'm trying to be organized, guys. All right, so I've already did my brows and applied my E.L.F. Putty Eye Primer, so we can get started with this look. Alright guys, so this completes the makeup look. I just went ahead and did a little eyeliner and I applied a little bit of foundation. I didn't apply any false lashes today because I'm not really going anywhere. and I did want to try out a new mascara that I will leave linked in the description box if you're interested. For all my people with the itty bitty lashes, such as myself, I just wanted to see how this mascara would work. I think it did a pretty good job. It at least makes my tiny lashes somewhat visible. So for all my people who don't like to wear falsies, this might be for you. But yeah guys, so I'm really loving this look. This has been one of my little go-to spring looks. I just think it's so fun, and I do think it will be flattering on a lot of different skin tones. But definitely there are so many possibilities to be created with this palette. So I'll definitely be experimenting and doing more looks in the future. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share it with a friend, and of course drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think, and follow me on social media if you're not already. And until next time, bye guys.